Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 18 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you 30 days worth of content ideas that you can use to generate leads for your business. Now, if you've missed the other videos, just click the link in the description to get access to a playlist that's going to walk you through day by day, right? So watch the video and most importantly, take action, right? Make it your own. However, if you are interested in learning directly from my seven-figure coaches and mentors, then stick around to the very end because I have something exciting for you, okay? So today, what you're going to do is you're going to talk about the day number 4 of your challenge, right? So for me, day number 4 of the challenge is all about driving. It's about no longer having to talk to your friends and family about bothering them to join your business, right? So let me ask you, type 1 in the description if you absolutely hate the idea of talking to your family and friends about your business. Nobody likes that, right? So because they're not your target audience, they don't see what you see, don't have the vision that you have, and most of them are just happy moaning and complaining about the current situation, right? So you don't want that. And what you want to do is, now that you have your storefront set up on those different social networking platforms, what you need to do is you need to use what we call attraction marketing to drive targeted traffic from those social media platforms onto your automated marketing system, okay? Because those social media platforms can shut you down like that, right? They actually own the keys to your store. So if you don't play nice, they can shut you down or they can just lock you out for a while, right? So you need to make sure that your people are in your system, which you have the keys to, safe and secure, okay? So how do you do that? How do you use attraction marketing to actually drive your target audience from those social medias onto your automated marketing system? You take time to recognize who your target audience is, because realize this: what you have is not for everybody, right? What you have is not for everybody. So stop trying to sell it to everybody. Know who your target audience is to a T. Write it down. Write them down. Who are they? What are the pain points? What are they looking for? What are the desires, right? Take time to figure this out and write this down. And then you have to create content that actually resonates with your target audience, that calls them out, right? So when they see your content, they know, yeah, okay, she's talking to me. And when they go through it, they actually resonate with what you say. They can relate, right? Because you've done your research, you know what the problems is, what the pain points is, what the struggles are, right? So you create content that allows you to actually relate to them, resonate with them, and get them curious. You only want them to be curious and to actually take action and get onto your list. And how do you do that? Remember, on step 1, we gave away something of value for free. So when you have that thing of value, you know that your perfect customer will be interested in that thing that you have to offer, right? So once you create that content, it piques their interest. All you want them to do is get into your list, and then the automation takes over, and so on and so forth. Okay. So what if you're not like me and you don't want to show your face, right? You want to hide behind the camera initially, maybe. Maybe you could build up to getting on camera. You can actually do what we call faceless marketing. Have you heard of faceless marketing? Type faceless in the comments if you have, right? Where you can create content still that resonates with your target audience without having to show your face, right? Or maybe you're comfortable not showing recording your surroundings or whatever. You can do that, and then you can just put text on it. So there's different things that you can do, and we show you exactly what to do as well, okay? So this is what day 4 is all about, right? So the step number 4 is all about creating content on social media that's actually going to attract your target audience and get them into your automated marketing system that's working for you 24/7. Now, what I love about this strategy is that once you create the content, you create a content once, you upload on these platforms, that content is working for you while you're doing the things that you love with the people that you love, okay? So you're working, sleeping, your content is out there, your target audience is coming across it, and it's global. It's not just where you are, it's global. And they actually can end up joining your list and your program from across the world, right? So on one hand, you have that automated marketing system we set up in step 2, and then now you have automated content that's out there working for you 24/7, right? So it's a perfect combination. So looking forward to the last day tomorrow, where we'll do the last day tomorrow, and I'll give you a bonus round at the end as well, okay? So let me go ahead, and if you're interested in learning more about this proven step-by-step blueprint that I'm using to actually create this content, I'm not thinking about this content, I'm just taking tips. I'm just following a guide, right? I'm making the content. So if you want that and you want to get access to our community of like-minded people, then click the link below to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. That copy is going to give you access to our community of a private community of like-minded entrepreneurs as well. So check your email, check your spams, check your promotional order, your folder. You should get access to the guide and access to our private community. Please respond to my email, say hi, let's have a conversation, right? I'm more than happy to record a video like this, answering your questions, and even sharing my screen and pointing you in any direction, right? I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Now, let me finish off here by just showing you sharing with you our bonuses and just zooming in on one of them, okay? So these are our bonuses here. I'm just gonna pick a few of them, right? This is what I said to you. If you don't want to show your face, the Invisible Empire, this is where you can learn faceless marketing. This bonus and this Canva crash course go hand in hand, right? So this is where you can create. And by the way, our leader, our creator of this course, who went from 0 to 1 million in 17 months, she came across a faceless content, and that's how she started out, right? She came across somebody who put out a faceless content, and that content was spoke to her, okay? 30 days marketing strategy growth plan. This is the thing I'm actually using to create this 30-day content. Absolutely loving it. It gives you ideas on how to attract your customer by creating content, right? So you don't have to think about the content, the ideas are given to you, okay? Our leader, as I said, she went from 1 million from 0 to 1 million in 17 months. She shares with you the blueprint. And then here, I want to finish off by sharing with you our community. So you know how lonely it is when you're offline trying to work online, right? You're surrounded by naysayers and doubters, and it's like, what are you doing now? You know, they don't get your vision, right? And most people don't get support, right? So what we have here is a thriving community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are there. We have over 38,000 members who are there to support you, to guide you within the community, outside the community, and very, very powerful. So 38,660 members. Here, what I love about this is that we have live interactive coaching and mentorship sessions from 6- and 7-figure earners. Tim here will be mentoring us on Thursday. He got fired from corporate America after 25 years, and after giving them the best of him, and then he decided, I'm not going to go back, put myself in that situation. And in the short space that he's been with us this year, he's made 6 figures. So he teaches us here. He's going to teach us on Thursday. The CEO of this platform is going to come in here showing us how to automate our business even further. And we have technical calls here. If you have issues setting up your system, then you can jump in there, unmute yourself, ask questions, and so on and so forth, right? Very, very powerful live interactive coaching and mentorship. This, by the way, is a bonus site, right? It's not what you actually pay for. This is extra. You get an app on your phone and a second membership login, the credentials as well. 90-day success sprint is extremely powerful. This is where our the creator of this program, every single day sends us a video. She's on day 61. It's either mindset or skill sets and gives us specific instructions to take on that particular day, right? It's like she's there holding our hands, walking us along the way. Very, very powerful. Mentoring replays here, all the replays from our six-figure earners, we can find them there. Content Vault, we can download this content and then upload it onto our social media platforms to get us started. Social media training. What I love about our training, it's from members of our community who've made 6 and 7 figure earn, and they're actually showing us how they did it and what they're doing on a daily basis. Some of them earn 6 figures in 6 months. Here's we have coach the recording of their trainings there, and so on and so forth, right? So lastly, I want to just share a few wins in our community. Just go to wins here. And first, ding dong, 6 hours ago, Andrea, right? Hi guys, I got my first sale after 1.5 months with this program. So happy, right? So you can see someone is commenting, 14 comments, 18 likes. Terry, 4 hours ago, $10,000 achieved. Following my live on Sunday, made a sale which pushed me over 10K milestone. Congratulations, Terry. Absolutely delighted for you. Humble beyond words. Committed, coachable, and consistency is the ingredients to success, right? Leah, win. After 3 months, I got my first $900. So excited. September is going to be amazing. And so on and so forth, right? First sale after 2.5 months. Kanye 5 days ago, right? So yeah, there's just different. 25K, Kamala, 22 hours ago. Pitch me, I can't believe I did this in such a short space of time. Christy, 14 hours ago, congratulations, 12,700 in my first month. 1 month ago, I started my digital marketing business, and right? We have countless thousands, hundreds of testimonials in there. Our system works. It's up to you to work the system, right? So I'm going to finish off here by inviting you to click the link, grab your guide, join the free version of our community, respond to my email. I'm more than happy to help. If you found value, smash that like button and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.